welcome back to my channel. Kama kawaida, every Friday, another video. So today I'm so happy because there's some changes in my channel. As you can see now, I have a channel at the banner, and I'm so happy. Big up to my friend Mori for kunitengenezea. And yes, I got a tripod, but funny thing, sikuona kwa hapo nikinunua from Jumia. It's not coming with the phone clip, so I'll have to wait other days for the clip. I don't know, or place naweza pata clip haraka because Jumia ina delay. I don't know, I think it delays a lot. I don't know, according to me. Yeah, so I got a clip and I got a channel art. That's a big step and I'm so happy. Thank God for that. And so today, the video today is going to be an interest. Today's video, I'm talking about the awkward moments that we've all been through. You know what I'm talking about? The awkward moments. Hey? So the first one is saying hi. You know, when you're from a distance and someone anonymously just raises their hand, anasema hi, and you think that is directing it to you, but ni kwa mtu mwingine and you're busy there waving back. And then shock on you, kuja uone si wewe. You know, that's ka awkward moment that is usually there. And maybe people are looking at you. Maybe the guy was not referring to you. So uko hapo tuzileza, oh, si nini. Wajua aibu? Yeah, that's so awkward. You know, and I've ever experienced it. Ile uko busy, maybe kama unatembea mtu wako uko mbali anakuona and busy raising their hand and you're busy raising back and it's not you. Hiyo aibu inakushikanga. You don't want to experience that. Second awkward moment, according to me, the moment that you want to hug someone, especially with older people. Sijui mbona inakuwa confusion hivyo. And umeamua kumhug. I don't know, they should their procedure on which side you should start from hugging, because unaenda kumhug na hii side na yeye anakuja na the same side. You know that awkward moment, because ile za pole. That's so awkward. Have you experienced that? If you have ever, just comment down below and tell me, because that's so awkward, and it happens mostly with my aunties or our older women. It happens so much with them. That awkward moment comes in terms of greetings. So ile yenye umekutana na msee beshte and you're there greeting them. Okay, mnile confusion inakuja tu once yako zile za aenda kugota uko zile za okay sorry, uko zile za sorry. Are you getting me? Yani enda kukugotea au unaenda kumsalimia hivi, that's a confusion. Tena ukienda kumgotea na yeye anakusalimia, you see, that's so awkward. So uko zile za okay, oh sawa tu sasa poa, even you don't know what to do next because already msha confusiana. I feel that's so awkward. How about you? That's so awkward, manzi. Moments, according to me, that's number 4, is when you tell someone that you're not around and then after dakika kidogo labda umetoka nje mnaonana. You know, that's so awkward because maybe ulisahau, you know, ulisahau ulimwambia mimi hata leo siko home, nifikie tu kesho. And then mnapatana kwa barabara na kuzileza, see, I thought you're not around. No, the awkward moments comes in kutafuta excuse if you are around or not, because hiyo tu unaweza jikuta unasema iko mimi but then and it's you who replied the text. You see that awkward moments, unatry kutafuta jibu haraka kucompensate your uongo already ashakuona. That's so awkward, according to me. Yeah, lying and then you meet the person you've lied kwa barabara. I can even hide, don't know. Another awkward moment is saying you don't take something and then telling a person you don't take something and then the person finds you in the same place taking the same thing that you denied that you don't take. For example, saying that ukulangi mutura, unaambia mtu lakini unapatikana base ya mutura ukikatiwa. Imagine that thing can make you hide the mutura in your mfuko ikiwa tu hivyo moto, because hiyo aibu, unaona ulikuwa umemdanganya ukulangi but tena nakupata kwa the same place ukikula. Okay, that's so awkward because hata maybe anaweza shindwa reaction, but watu ni wabaya, they can react and you are the one utashinda reaction ya kureact like okay, si yangu ya kutumwa, sizo ni yako. Okay, that's so awkward because that's so awkward. Nye ukinunua mutura ili ukulia hapo weke kwa karatasi uende kama umekuwa ukidanganyana. Another awkward moment that personally I always suffer na hiyo is that let's say I know I love making friends and I do make friends quickly, but the funny thing is to make friends hapo probably even I won't ask for your name but utajua yangu, but unione tena the next time, my bad, I would have forgotten you. Okay, yeah, maybe, but ukinikumbuka itakuwa like hi Terry, and me itakuwa zile za hi, and you'll be like, you remember me, you know, the moment you mention my name, that's an automatically think that we've had an interaction before. So I will, and nitakuwa zile za yeah I do, but back in my head I'm like no, please remind me, rewind this, the moment that we met, you know. The awkward moment inakuanga hapo like amekusalimia like who is this, and ameanza conversation ile ya like conversation that you have to engage in, and you still don't know the person, you know, so you're like hey yeah I've been good, nimekuwa poa, tumekuwa nini, umekuwa kifanya, you know, that awkward moments, yeah, you don't know what to reply next because yeah you don't know, because you don't know the person but the person knows you, you know. I feel that's so awkward. Awkward moment is when someone compliments me. I really don't know how to respond to compliments. Not okay, I'm not saying that you don't compliment me. I love compliments, but I really don't know how to respond to the compliments. You may tell me that you look good and I have an orange, do you want one? You know, like I don't know, I find compliments cute and uneasy for me because I really don't know how to compliment them, to respond to compliments, but I love compliments, don't take it in a bad way. So like kwanza face to face itakuwa ngumu juu utani compliment, I might end up blushing, shying off because I don't know how to respond to compliments. Do you suffer from the same thing with me? Because I think that's awkward. I don't know how to respond to compliments again because I don't know if I'm supposed to say, when you tell me I look good, I don't know if I'm supposed to say thank you or you look good too, you know, and it's supposed to be genuine. So kama kaipoa, ndio hizi mdanganya. So you look good too, or thank you, you're beautiful, you're cute too, or thank you. I find it too uneasy, but I love compliments. I love when people compliment me. Yeah, shower me those compliments. I love them and I appreciate it. Awkward moments is lying to someone and you end up telling the truth indirectly in a certain story. Like umedanganya saizi about something you did yesterday, and then maybe like a week later uko zile za unakumbuka ile siku yenye nilikuwa nimefanya hivi, you end up telling the truth in that scenario. Hey, my friends suffer from that a lot and I won't mention names. Yeah, they end up telling a little lie from this story, but a week later they end up reversing it unknowingly, they tell you the truth. So uko zile za okay, so ile story ulikuwa umendanganya, kuna venye ulikuwa umenifix ile story, you end up knowing the truth directly or indirectly. That's so awkward because you don't know whether to ask her, okay, you don't know that to tell her because ujui reasons yenye alikudanganya previously, so you don't know whether to tell her kumbe ile last time ulinidanganya, or unaidanganya saizi ulikuwa umeniambia, but you don't know. I feel it's so awkward. You just know the story and you're like, back in your mind you're like, okay, so that's the story boy, that's the story girl. That's it for today's video, and it has been an interesting one, and I want to give my special thanks to you guys for your support. I'm so happy because we've been growing day by day, yeah, and since I started being consistent, I've seen growth and change, growth in everything that I do, in my content, in the editing. I know I'm still struggling, and with everything, by the way, with my channel. Now I have a channel art, my people are growing, my loves are growing, and I am changing my intro. I have a mini tripod. You see the things that are coming with the growth, and I really appreciate guys. I don't take it for granted, and let's keep growing. Let's get to 500, and let's keep growing. I'm so grateful, by the way, and watch out for the next video on Friday. I don't know if I should start making 2 videos a week, or first I should stick with the 1 video a week. I'm still thinking about that. I don't know, if I should make it 2 videos a week or 1 video a week. Yeah, because let me just stick to 1 video and I'll know what to do by the end of it. Thank you guys for sticking around till the end. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the cute things that you do, and I really do appreciate. So till the next video on Friday, bye guys.